Most teachers and students know ChatGPT. Fewer know Claude. Almost nobody is talking about Perplexity. And that is the gap we are going to close today. This one is built specifically for research, with citations, with sources you can click and verify, and there is a deal for students and teachers that we will get to. This is deep dive number 2 of 12. AI for real folks. What is Perplexity? The fast version. Perplexity is an AI answer engine. You ask a question. It searches the live web. It writes an answer. Every claim is footnoted with a source you can click. It is what Google should have become. For students, that source citation behavior is the whole point. Bad sources are obvious. Good sources are linkable. You learn what credible looks like by watching the model show its work. For teachers, the citation behavior teaches a skill the curriculum has been trying to teach for 15 years. How to verify what AI tells you. The pricing story. This is the part most articles get wrong. Standard Perplexity Pro is $20 a month. But for verified U.S. university students, Perplexity gives you Pro free for 1 full year. Sign up with your .edu email. The page is at perplexity.ai/backtoschool. Teachers and educators, 50% off Pro at $10 a month through Sheer ID verification. Schools, universities, and nonprofits. Enterprise Pro is $30 a seat per month, way below the standard enterprise rate. And there is a free 7-day educator course at perplexity.ai/teachers. No payment, no catch. Just a structured walkthrough for using Perplexity in a classroom. Okay, let's go through the actual setup. For a college student, go to perplexity.ai/backtoschool. Sign up with your school email. Click the verification link. Wait a couple minutes. You now have 1 year of Pro. That is it. For a teacher, go to perplexity.ai/students or perplexity.ai/education. Choose your role. Sheer ID verifies you teach at a U.S. school. Once verified, your Pro account is 50% off, or your school can get Enterprise for everyone else. The free tier of Perplexity is still very good. You get unlimited quick searches, 5 Pro searches a day, and full access to the cited source results. Many students use the free tier all the way through high school without paying. 3 things for teachers to actually do with it. 1. Source verification lessons. Take a viral social media claim. Run it through Perplexity. Show students how the model surfaces conflicting sources, peer-reviewed papers, and original reporting. 5-minute lesson. Teaches a lifetime skill. 2. Literature reviews. Whether you're writing a graduate paper, a grant proposal, or a parent newsletter, Perplexity can pull together background research in minutes that used to take a Saturday. You still verify the sources yourself, but the starting point is dramatically faster. 3. Real-time research for class discussion. A student asks a question you do not know the answer to. Pull up Perplexity on the projector. Ask it together. Read the cited sources together. Demonstrate critical reading in real time. 3 things for students. 1. Research papers without the panic. Ask Perplexity the question your paper is actually asking. Read the answer. Click into the sources. Read those. The model just saved you the first 3 hours of literature scanning. Now you still have to read, think, and write, but you start with a map instead of a blank page. 2. Side-by-side fact-checking. Got a claim from a textbook, a news article, or a friend's TikTok? Paste it into Perplexity. Ask whether it is true. The model returns the answer, the sources, and usually the nuance the original missed. 3. Citation generator with backbone. Perplexity does not just give you a citation, it gives you the underlying source. You can verify the source actually says what the citation suggests. That is the part students normally skip. With Perplexity, it is the easy part, the integrity question. Perplexity is harder to cheat with than ChatGPT, not because it cannot generate text, it can, but because every sentence is footnoted. Teachers can see exactly which sources a student leaned on. Students can verify their own work. If you submit a Perplexity answer as your essay, you have not written an essay. You have curated a search result. Most teachers will recognize the difference immediately. The honest use is, Perplexity is your starting point. You read the sources it surfaces. You think. You write your own version. The model helped you find the material. You did the rest. The honest call. Perplexity wins at research starting points, source verification, real-time current events, comparing sources, finding niche information. Perplexity loses at pure creative writing, conversational chat, long step-by-step tutoring, math problem walkthroughs, coding help. For those, use Claude or ChatGPT study mode. Two tools, different jobs. Most serious students and teachers end up using both. If you are a student, go to back-to-school/Perplexity right now and grab the free year. Even if you do not use it heavily, it is free and it is good. If you are a teacher, take the 7-day course. It is free. It is short. By the end of the week, you will have 3 lessons you can use Monday. That is Deep Dive 2 of 12. Next up, Claude. And after that, Notebook LM, the surprise tool.